Today we're going to look at our X-ray unit. It's a 3D X-ray unit from Glenbrook Technologies. We already have a board preloaded inside. This board has a predetermined defect. We just want to use this board to show you how we see the defect on the X-ray and confirm it using the 3D portion of the X-ray. Okay, the unit is on. You can see right here we have a possible short or bridging between two ball grids. So what we'll do, we'll take a look at this at the 3D mode and confirm that. Okay, there it is. It is a bridge between two balls. That's how we would confirm whether it's a bridge between two balls or there's a possibility of a void, but this board does not have a void. So this is what we have for you today. Thanks for watching.